All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to look at this interpenetration of a rectangular prism and an oblique cone. So it's intersecting with an oblique cone. So the very first thing that you have to do here before you even get to the development is for you to get the line of penetration. We have to get the line of penetration somewhere there, because this is your front view. This is your front view, this is your left view. So after you've drew your given views according to that particular scale that you are given, so we have to you are going to oblige to divide your circle into 12 equal parts. So this is the auxiliary view of your front, this is the auxiliary view of my left. So this is what is going to be divided. So divide your circle into 12 equal parts. You know, we've got two methods of dividing that one. So you choose the simplest and accurate for you. Simplest, accurate, and faster. Understand? So I am going to divide the circle of my left auxiliary view. There we go. There we go. Then there we go. Okay, after I'm done, so I come to say this is going to be my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0. You understand? So now if before I even number the points, because they will change, the numbering system of the auxiliary of my front must intersect with the numbering system of my auxiliary left view. You understand? So now if my 0 is here, so on the auxiliary view of my left, it's not going to be here. It is not going to be there. I'll explain that. The second step, take them, because you must just let it itself come out. You understand? It's gonna come out by itself. So there you go, 4, there you go, 5 with 7. You understand? Once they touch this upper line of your front view, because this cone is upside down, usually it used to be the bottom part of your cone, isn't it? So it's going to go to this point. So this point is your apex point. You understand? So you are going to take it using your 30mm ruler, which means I'm saying it's out of angle. You draw it faint. There you go. So 3 and 9, they're already there. So 4 and 8 to your apex point, 5 and 7 to your apex point. Okay, then after you're done with that, so now let's come, if this is my 0, there it is, so which means the very first point is this one. You understand? So the very first point is going to be this one. So there it goes, there it goes. So which means I can say my 0 of the auxiliary left view is right there. So if my 0 is here, so 1, 2, 3. You understand? So that this 3, that goes from here, is going to give me a point somewhere there. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 0. A1. So now what are you expected to do? So do what you did here. Take these points towards your left, then you stop there, because they must be directed to your apex point there as well. So point 1 and 5 vertically down, I stop there. 3 and 0 and 6, they're already there, which is the center. Then 9, 11 and 7 vertically down, 10 and 8. You understand? Then once they get there, you direct them to your apex point. Throw them faint. There you go. There you go. There you go. Like this we go. Right, so now let's get the curve of interpenetration. So my first point, which is 0.0 there by my front view, because this is your front view, this is your left view, isn't it? So we always expose the curve of interpenetration there by your front view. Okay, so now this 0 must intersect with the 0 of my left. So let's trace it. There it goes. So from here, there it goes, there it goes. From here, it's going to change direction. Indeed, I'm having a point there. So get point 1. There's the line of point 1. Once it touch, there it goes to your apex, isn't it? So once it gets there, it must change direction to be horizontally towards the left hand side, so that it gives you a point where there it goes, which means I'm having a point right there. So point 2, there it goes. Once it touches there, going to your apex point of your left hand side, it changes direction to go to meet with the what? With this one there by your front view, which means there is my point. Let me make it a bit visible. There is my point. So these points, they must be plotted. You have to see them. So point 3, which is the center, in line with what? With 9. So 3, there it is, isn't it? This one, the 3 of your front view is going just vertically down. So this one, which is the last point, there it goes. 3 of my auxiliary left view, there it goes. Once it gets here, so you change it to horizontally towards your left hand side, so that it meets the point there by your front view. So this is my point, you understand? So I've got this point, that one, and that one, and this one. So now 0.5 in line with what? With 0.1. So it's going to use the line of 1, you understand? So there it goes, because this is 1 most. Remember, this is the line of 1. 4, not 5, 4, because this is 3, isn't it? Which we just finished getting it. So now we have to get a point there and there and there. But we must understand how is it coming. We mustn't just assume, understand? So this is 0.4 in line with 2, not 5. In line with 2, there it goes. So we're going to use the line of 2, you understand? So which means I've got a point there. 0.5, there it goes, which means I've got a point right there. Then 0.6 in line with what? With the 0, so which means is right there. So dark. You can use a flex curve, or you can use a freehand, so you are not going to be penalized. So there you go. So that's how we get this line of penetration. So you cannot get the what? You cannot draw the development without the line of penetration. So this is the line of penetration. So after we've gotten it, now let's get the development. So the very first thing that you're gonna do, just extend this line just a little bit. You understand? And extend this center just a little bit. You understand? This is very simple. Getting the development now. Take your drawing compass and place it at 0.9 there by your auxiliary of your left view. There you go. Further extend it to 0.10. You understand? So get a faint line that's going to behave like this. You understand? Once you touch this horizontal line of mine, take it vertically down. There you go. Once you touch this line of your left view, this one, stop. Take your 30mm ruler, direct it. Now directing it to your apex point like this. There you go. Faint. So this is what? This is 10 most. This is 10. This is 0.10. Again, take your compass, put it at 0.9, further extend it to 0.11. So there you go. Stop right there. Go vertically down. This is interesting, eh? Once you get it there, this is 0.11. Take it to your vanishing point. I used to confuse vanishing point with apex point. You know, I've drew too much of perspective. Okay, so where's the drawing compass? Go back to 0.9, further extend it to 0.0. So you see, I've extended my papers because I'm using A4 drawing sheets, so they seems to be small. You understand? This is 0. Go vertically down. There you go. Once it gets there, this is 0, eh? Once it gets there, take it to your apex point. We remember we are there by our left view. Remember? Then now place it at 0.9, further extend it to 0.1. There you go. There you go. There you go. Faint, eh? Then from there, it's gonna go vertically down. Once it touch there, this is 0.1, eh? So gonna go to apex point, throwing them faint, eh? Then now get 0.2. Remember, we just finished drawing 1, eh? 0.2. There you go. Once you get it there, take it vertically down. This is 0.2, eh? So take it to your apex point. So like this we go. Remember, we are still drawing them faint, eh? We are drawing them faint. You understand? So the last one, which is 0.3, place it at 0.9, further extend it to 0.3, eh? Which is the center. There you go. There you go. Then you stop there. Once it gets there, vertically down. Down we go. This is 0.3. Take it to your apex point. There you go. Right. Then if we are here, then we can start with our what? With our development. So I think my development is going to fit in this space. You understand? So I will force my development to fit in this space. So erase this one just a little bit. Okay, so now I will start with the what? With the faint line like this. So it's up to you whether your development you're making it look upside down or straight up. It's still one and the same thing. You understand? So now I'll decide to make it like this. So this is going to be my apex point. Apex point. Then from there, let me mark. So now take your drawing compass. Take your drawing compass, place it there by your apex point. Yeah. Further extend toward 2.3, eh? Right there. So this is it without disturbing it. Now come and place it where at your apex point there by your development site and give it a mark there, just a little bit down there. So you come and say this is 0.3, eh? 0.3. So we cannot draw it dark, remember? So now, so this 0.3, eh? Remember there by your front view. Remember there by your front view, there by your line of penetration, the top part. the top upper part. We've got a 0 there, we've got a 1, this is 0.2, this is 0.3. You remember, so this is 0.4, this is 0.5, and then this is 0.6. You understand? So now you are going to further extend this line of 3 just a little bit till it meet this line of 3 going to your apex point. You understand? We extended this line there by the auxiliary view. Not auxiliary view, but the line, from the point of line of penetration. You remember in the development we use the line of penetration. We cannot have a development without the line of penetration. You understand? So place your compass at your apex point there by your left view. Further extend to what? To that point. To that point. Then now come and place it there by your apex point and give it a mark. So this is the point. You understand? So now you must use this formula. L is equals to pi over 12, then close interval. Why do we use this bracket? In case this is given, in case this drawing is given a certain scale, maybe 1:5, 1:10, you must consider that one as well. Or else you just go come straight here, because these are equal. You just come straight here, you record it like this, or you, whether you take this one or this one is up to you. Then you come to your development side, place it there by 3, strike an arc, or you do like as I do. I normally prefer doing it like this, because when you strike an arc, you might find that your arcs, they are a bit shorter, then you have to come back again. You understand? Then after we've done this one, the second step that we have to do, let's get to point 2, because this is 3, let's get to point 2. Place your compass at point apex point, further extended to what? To point 2. There it goes. In other words, these are through lanes. There it goes. You understand? Now without disturbing it, now you come, you place it at your apex point, then you mark the side and you also mark the side. You understand? So that we go both sides. So I've got a point there, I've got a point there. So now take your 30mm ruler. There we go. Remember that this one is this, isn't it? So like this we go. So this is going to be point 2. 2 is obviously in line with what? With 4. So that's how we go about it. So now take your drawing compass, put it at point 2, further extend it to point what? To point 4. Then have this, let me use this one, point 2 and point 4. So try to be accurate. Draw it faint. Somebody will say strike an arc. Yes, you can strike an arc, or you can do like this, as long as it's faint. I prefer doing it in smaller cycles, because if it's an arc, you'll find that later I'll have to come back to what? To extend that arc of mine. Maybe it's a bit short, or maybe it's too long again. You understand? So now what you did this side, also do it this side by placing it at 4 to 3. Then get this just a little bit. So now we have to get what? Point 1. Come back to what? To your left view. Place it at your apex point. Further extend to what? To the point that you are looking for, which is point 1. There you go. So now you come to your development site. Then place it there, apex point. You mark and you mark. So now we can join it using a 30mm ruler. There it goes. There it goes. So this is gonna be 0.1 and 0.5. You understand? So now place your compass at 0.1, further extend it to 0.1, 2. And there we go. And again, let's get the other point of your interpenetration, the line of penetration. We're supposed to be getting it there. So we are going to place your compass at 0.2, and before even you do that, come back to your front view. Extend this line of 2. Remember that this is the line of 2, isn't it? We're supposed to be getting this point along there. So that is why we come back to our front view. We extend this line of 2, which is in the same line with what? With 4. There you go. You understand? So once it touched there, so place your compass at your auxiliary there by your left view, then extend this. Like it's supposed to be somewhere there. Is this one? I want to be accurate. Yes, this is it. Now, without disturbing your compass, you come to your development. Then this is the line of 4 and the line of 2 and the line of 4. You understand? So we've gotten it. There's solid. There is solid points. Then now let's get another one here before we even go to we jump to another step, which is the line of 1. So 0.1 is in the same line with what? With your 0.5. So further extend this line just a little bit. There it goes. Then now take your drawing compass. You are going to put it there by your apex point of your left hand side, and then further extend it to the what? To the line of 1 and 5, which is this one. You understand? So which is this point. Just mark it like this. Then now, without disturbing it, you come to your development side. You place it there by your apex point. I think I'm hungry. So there it is. You mark there at 1. You mark there at 5. So mark it visible. There you go. There you go.